So Sister Boza angimshayile. Ushayile Sister Boza sikhuluma sokugcwele emahada lapha kubhizi. Kitsi friend and center. Matasatasa. Ushayile ngishaya headphone. 10 scooters. 10 scooter. 10. Uzangimisa nale one. Awungagibele kuyo. Ngithola.
Shokuthi ngisenendoda manje. Bengimthanza. Bengafuna ukudivorce.
Sothi manje stop.
Bengikhona ukuluza yena ngiphenze nguluza nemali. He has to go.
Ish. Hayi boss. Hayi kusenani boss yabo. Sangcwaba this coming weekend Saturday. Yabo. So besingcwaba. Kwentekile just as we spoke. Ngithiwa ngishayile ijob. Just as we spoke nje sendile umsebenzi uphelele nje.
At least yabona manje at least imali ngidobanayo. Ngikhona ukuluza le ndoda ngichamuka nayo khashane le kuthi inyalo angathola umfati lomncane ashiye mina aciza hambe nemali. Ngeke. Kona amaphoyisa pha.
Sister Boss.
Dokusendele rimini balance ke. Bangakubona nje.
So